What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are the 6 accessories for your Mi TV 4, 4A or any other Mi TV out there. Now the first thing is an audio converter, and this is something you should definitely have if you have a Mi TV 4. These are the ports that we can find on the Mi TV 4, and as you can see, there is no output for audio. I mean, there is no headphone jack or an audio jack to connect your regular headphones or connect your regular speakers to your TV. For audio output, all we have is a SPDIF port or a coaxial output port. So if you're like me who has a speaker setup with an aux input, then you need to get this converter. Connect one end of the coaxial cable to the TV, another end to the audio converter, and then you can connect your speakers to this converter. By the way, this is from Fio and it costs around 1500 rupees. There are other cheaper ones, but this is pretty reliable. By the way, coaxial cable on Amazon costs around 400 rupees. So if you're going to connect regular speakers to your Mi TV, it's going to cost you around 2000 rupees just for the audio setup. Now this accessory may be useful only for the Mi TV 4, but the rest of the accessories will be very useful for all the Mi TVs and even any other smart TV out there. Now the next must-have accessory is a Chromecast. For someone who is new and never watched Mi TV in live or don't know about it, you might wonder why you need a Chromecast. Now Mi TV comes with something Xiaomi calls Patchwall, and it is based on Android, but it is more like a stripped down version of Android. It has a YouTube application, but it doesn't play all that well. And besides that, if you want to watch any specific video, searching on YouTube is a hell. Now on other smart TVs, you can simply cast a video from your phone to your TV, but that option is not present on the Mi TV, or at least the Mi TV 4 that I have right now. So if you watch a lot of YouTube videos and like to cast videos directly from your phone to the TV, then definitely get a Chromecast. By the way guys, as you can see, I'm using the first generation Chromecast and it is still working flawlessly. So your investment on a Chromecast will be definitely worth it. By the way, Mi TV also has Mirrorcast where we can cast our screen to the TV, but it is not supported by all the phones. For example, I can't cast the screen of Pixel 2 to the TV, but somehow Redmi phone works. And besides that, if you want to cast the screen of your phone to your TV, you have to open an application to do that. Whereas with a Chromecast, it is completely seamless. So if you watch a lot of videos and like to cast the screen of your phone to a TV, then definitely get the Chromecast. Now the next must-have accessory for the Mi TV is a Bluetooth headset. Well, it can be any Bluetooth headset, but I am using the Sony XB950BT. Now this or any other Mi TV out there has a massive screen at a very reasonable price, and you might definitely want to watch some awesome movies with some great audio experience. Now if you're going to watch some movies at late night at high volume, your family members and neighbors might complain. But with a Bluetooth headset, you can have the audio experience to yourself and watch the movie in a big screen. This is something I do frequently and I really enjoy it. So this is something I would definitely suggest you to get. Now the next accessory that you can buy for your Mi TV is a good home theater system. Mi TV 4 or any other Mi TV out there is being sold at a very reasonable price. Speakers are good, but definitely they are not the best. So it's better to invest some money in a good home theater system. For the time being, I'm using the Logitech Z623 2.1 channel. It's a THX certified speakers and they sound amazing. So anyway, get a good speaker system or a home theater system for your Mi TV. Now the next best thing that you can buy for your Mi TV is a wireless keyboard and mouse. Now this is a TV and you might never have to use a keyboard and mouse to it, but it is also a smart TV where you can install third-party applications and do browsing and stuff. Now everyone has a smartphone in their hand and they can browse in their phone and even cast the screen to the TV, but in the worst case scenario where you want to browse on your TV, a keyboard and mouse can come really handy. Now the next best thing that you can buy for your Mi TV is this Gamepad. It's a Bluetooth controller that can be connected to your Android TV, smartphones and PCs. So you can play games with this controller on your phone, PC and even the TV. As of now, I can't find any games that are compatible with the Mi TV, but you can connect the controller to your phone and then cast the screen to the TV and then play some games. I know it doesn't seem all that useful, at least right now, but sometime in the future some games might be supported on the Mi TV. So if such a day comes and if you're looking for a controller, maybe even for your phone, tablet or PC, I would suggest you to go with this. Now the final accessory for your Mi TV is an external hard drive. All Mi TVs comes with USB ports and we can connect anything ranging from external hard drive, portable hard drive and even a USB pen drive. But in my testing, if you're going to watch a lot of movies, it's better to use a hard disk. I tried to play some highly compressed movies from a pen drive and they didn't play in the TV. So if you have a lot of movies or even family pictures and so on, dump them all in a hard drive and then connect it to the TV. I said 6 accessories, but there is something that might be really useful for you, and that's this USB extension cable. Now, as you can see, I have a wall mount setup and accessing the USB ports is really hard. So you can use this USB extension cable to make your life a bit more easy. So guys, those were all the accessories I think that you should definitely buy for your Mi TV. If you think there is anything else, do let me know by commenting below this video. By the way guys, I have listed all the products in the description, do check them out, and if you are planning to buy a Mi TV, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want me to make any specific video regarding Mi TV or any other phone, let me know by commenting below this video and I'll try to do it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.